Hello and welcome to DPA Product of the Year. I'm very pleased to have Mr. Glenn Wedgbrow of Micro-Epsilon with us. He's going to talk to us about the scanCONTROL 8500. Glenn, you have 3 minutes to explain to our readers why the scanCONTROL 8500 should be Product of the Year. Over to you.
Thanks, Andrew. In modern manufacturing, quality inspection is no longer simply about measuring accurately. Manufacturers must measure smaller features, inspect faster processes, and make reliable decisions immediately, often within extremely limited installation space. That is the challenge Micro-Epsilon set out to solve with the new scanCONTROL 8500 series. The scanCONTROL 8500 represents a new generation of industrial laser profile scanners. It combines exceptionally high resolution 2D and 3D measurement, ultra-fast data acquisition, and intelligent onboard processing within one remarkably compact sensor. At its heart is an advanced 4K sensor matrix, providing up to 4,224 measurement points per profile. With point spacing as tight as 6 microns, the scanner can capture extremely fine surface structures, edges, gaps, and dimensional changes that lower resolution systems could overlook. But resolution alone is not enough. scanCONTROL 8500 operates at profile frequencies of up to 10 kHz and can acquire up to 25 million measurement points per second. This allows manufacturers to inspect rapidly moving products without sacrificing measurement detail or production throughput. The scanner also introduces green laser technology, improving signal stability on demanding surfaces. This creates new possibilities when measuring components with difficult optical characteristics, varying reflectivity, or challenging surface finishes. However, what truly differentiates the scanCONTROL 8500 is not only what it measures, but what it can do with the measurement. For the first time in this class of sensor, complete 2D and 3D evaluation can be performed directly inside the sensor head. Instead of transferring enormous volumes of raw data to an external industrial computer, the sensor can process the information and communicate calculated measurement values directly to the control system. This reduces system complexity, minimizes network traffic, and enables faster decision-making. It can also reduce the requirement for additional processing hardware, cabinet space, and software integration. Its ultra-compact design makes it ideal for installation in space-restricted machinery and for robot-mounted inspection applications. It's available with a 25, 50, and 100 mm measurement range, and the platform can support applications ranging from micron-level dimensional inspection to automated 3D surface evaluation. The scanCONTROL 8500 is more than an incremental improvement to an existing laser scanner. It brings together 4 capabilities manufacturers normally have to compromise between: resolution, speed, intelligence, and compactness. It helps manufacturers detect smaller defects, inspect faster production processes, and build simpler, smarter quality control systems. For redefining what an industrial laser profile scanner can achieve, the Micro-Epsilon scanCONTROL 8500 deserves to be recognized as Product of the Year.
That's excellent, Glenn. Thank you very much. And clearly, there's a lot to find out about this product. If you'd like to find out more, follow the link that will be there. And thank you very much for watching DPA Product of the Year.